Have you ever wondered about the universe that exists beyond what our eyes can see? Welcome to the unseen world of microbiology. This is a realm where the tiniest of organisms hold the most profound influences. It's a world that's invisible to the naked eye, yet it's brimming with life, diversity, and mystery. Here, countless species of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms stage a continuous drama of life, death, competition, and cooperation. These microscopic marvels perform a variety of roles that shape our world in ways you might not imagine. They're in the food we eat, the air we breathe, the ground beneath our feet, and even within our bodies. They can be our greatest allies or our deadliest foes. They help us digest our food, they recycle nutrients on a planetary scale, and they're even used to create life-saving medicines. Prepare to embark on a journey into this microscopic universe, teeming with unseen heroes. Among the microscopic inhabitants, bacteria are perhaps the most well-known, but they are far more than just disease-causing agents. Indeed, bacteria are a diverse group with a wide array of forms and functions. They come in a variety of shapes, from spheres to rods, spirals, and even complex, intricate forms. Their cellular structures are just as varied, with some bacteria boasting rigid cell walls, while others are flexible and adaptable. But it's not all about looks. Bacteria play a myriad of roles in our world, many of which are crucial to life as we know it. Let's start with the bad guys. Yes, some bacteria are notorious for causing diseases, from the infamous Streptococcus that gives us strep throat, to the deadly Mycobacterium tuberculosis that causes TB. These bacteria have earned their bad reputation. But hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. Many bacteria are not just harmless, but beneficial, even essential. Take, for instance, the multitude of bacteria in our guts. These microscopic allies aid in our digestion, breaking down complex foods we can't handle on our own. They also produce essential vitamins and help train our immune system. Beyond our bodies, bacteria are the unsung heroes of nutrient cycling in the environment. They break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients and returning them to the soil. They're also key players in the nitrogen cycle, transforming atmospheric nitrogen into forms plants can use. And let's not forget about the bacteria that give us yogurt, cheese, and even chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Bacteria play a crucial role in fermenting cocoa beans into the delicious chocolate we all love. So, from our guts to our gardens, from our dinner plates to the depths of the earth, bacteria are everywhere, working tirelessly, often unseen and unappreciated. So, bacteria, often misunderstood, are essential players in the story of life on Earth. Next, we encounter viruses, the minuscule entities that straddle the line between living and non-living. These microscopic invaders are a paradox, neither truly alive nor dead, yet they wield a power that belies their diminutive size. Let's take a closer look at what viruses are. They're essentially packets of genetic information, either DNA or RNA, encased in a protein shell known as a capsid. Some viruses even have an additional layer, a fatty envelope, often stolen from the host cell they've invaded. But what makes these entities so unique is their inability to reproduce on their own. They are, in essence, biological hijackers, commandeering host cells to replicate their genetic material and assemble new virus particles. But it's not all doom and gloom. Yes, viruses are the culprits behind a multitude of diseases, from the common cold to more severe illnesses like Ebola and COVID-19. Their ability to rapidly mutate and evolve makes them formidable opponents to our immune system and modern medicine. Yet this same characteristic is what allows them to have potential in other arenas of medical science. Enter the world of gene therapy. Here, scientists are exploring how viruses can be used as delivery vehicles or vectors to introduce healthy genes into cells with faulty ones, potentially treating genetic disorders at their source. This is just one of the ways we're harnessing the power of viruses for beneficial purposes. In a similar vein, oncolytic viruses are being developed to specifically target and kill cancer cells, offering a new frontier in cancer treatment. These viruses, naturally or genetically modified, infect and break down cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Though tiny, viruses have an immense impact on our world, from challenging our immune system to pushing the boundaries of medical science. They are a testament to the power and complexity of the microscopic world. A reminder that even the smallest of entities can have a profound effect on life as we know it. Beyond bacteria and viruses, the world of fungi awaits. They are more than just mushrooms and molds. Fungi, an often underappreciated group, are a fascinating and diverse bunch, with estimates suggesting that there could be anywhere between 2.5 to 5 million species. No, that's not a typo. We're talking millions. From the familiar mushrooms and yeast to the less well-known molds and rusts, fungi come in all shapes and sizes. Let's delve a little deeper into these microscopic marvels. Unlike plants, fungi can't produce their own food through photosynthesis. Instead, they're the masters of decomposition, breaking down dead plant and animal matter into simpler substances. Through this process, they play a crucial role in nutrient cycling, returning essential elements like carbon and nitrogen back to the environment. But the role of fungi isn't limited to nature's recycling service. Many fungi form beneficial relationships with plants. Take mycorrhizal fungi, for instance. These fungi form a network of tiny threads that increase a plant's root surface area, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. In return, the plant provides the fungi with sugars. It's a classic win-win situation. And what about fungi and human health? Well, without fungi, we wouldn't have many of the antibiotics we rely on today. Penicillin, the world's first antibiotic, was discovered from a type of mold, a member of the fungal family. On the flip side, certain fungi can cause infections, particularly in people with weakened immune systems. But let's not hold that against them. After all, every family has its black sheep. In the grand scheme of things, fungi are essential players in our world's ecosystems. They're the unsung heroes of the microscopic world, quietly going about their business, breaking things down, building things up, and maintaining the delicate balance of life. The kingdom of fungi, often overlooked, is vital for the health of our planet and us. Microbes do not just inhabit our bodies and the natural environment, they also play significant roles in technology and environmental solutions. Let's dive into the world of biotechnology, a field where microbes are the stars of the show. They're like tiny factories, producing substances that have transformed medicine, fuel, and food production. Consider insulin, a life-saving hormone for people with diabetes. For decades, we've harnessed the power of E. coli bacteria to produce human insulin in large quantities. By inserting a piece of human DNA into the bacteria, these microscopic helpers can churn out insulin, making it affordable and accessible. Next, let's talk about biofuels. Some microbes like algae and bacteria can produce biofuels through photosynthesis. These biofuels are renewable and less harmful to the environment than fossil fuels, offering a promising avenue towards sustainable energy. And let's not forget food production. The tangy taste of yogurt, the unique flavor of cheese, the fluffiness of bread, all are thanks to the hard work of microbes. By breaking down sugars and producing gases, microbes are the unseen chefs in our kitchens, adding flavor and texture to our foods. On the environmental front, microbes are equally vital. In a process called bioremediation, bacteria and fungi help clean up pollutants from our environment. They can break down hazardous substances like oil spills and industrial waste into less harmful components. It's like having billions of tiny cleanup crews working around the clock to keep our environment clean. Moreover, certain microbes play a pivotal role in mitigating climate change. Cyanobacteria, for instance, absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, helping to reduce greenhouse gases. In short, these microscopic creatures are at the heart of many innovative solutions, from medicine to environmental cleanup to climate change mitigation. They serve as a reminder of the immense potential that lies in the smallest of life forms. Microbes, though invisible to the naked eye, are indispensable allies in our quest for sustainable solutions. As we emerge from this microscopic journey, it becomes clear that the world of microbiology is far more than just a realm of disease and decay. These tiny organisms, unseen to our naked eye, are the true heroes of our planet. They are the vital workers in our body's factory, powering our metabolic processes and defending us against harmful invaders. They are the unsung heroes in our environment, breaking down waste, recycling nutrients, and even combating pollution. Let's not forget their indispensable role in industries where they churn out products from cheese to biofuel. They are the silent warriors in our battle against the ever-evolving world of disease, aiding in the development of new medicines and vaccines. In the grand scheme of life, these unseen heroes of the microscopic world truly shape our macroscopic world. So the next time you think of microbes, remember they are more than meets the eye.